Hey guys, Sidewinder here. Back at Sidewinder shed. Well, made progress on the fence. Pretty much used up the the last of the old boards I had handy, and as you can see, they're still wet. 3 friggin' weeks they've been wet. So that's why I decided to put them up. I hated putting them up all gray and nasty like that, but they're warping, they're rotting, so I put them up so they could dry straight. And eventually, as you can see in the back, the ones that I was able to sand, eventually it'll all look like that. Because those are the same boards. That's just what they look like when they're cleaned up, torched, and stained. I'll get the rest of them to look like that, but I just I wanted to get them up before they all just rotted away on me, or really warped beyond the point I could use them. So that's it. Yeah, I still got a little bit more to go, but we're getting there, a little bit at a time. Anyway, just a short update. Y'all have yourselves a good weekend. Be safe.